So guys, welcome back to another video. Hold on, I need to go change something real quick. Let's go make there we go. Now you can hear desktop audio, I think. So today we're going to be doing something. And the thing that we're gonna be doing. Wait, let me just change it back. I need to see if this works. So the thing that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be recovering a Dell Windows XP, a Dell Windows XP thing. And of course, I'm gonna do Windows XP 32-bit, and I'm gonna give it this much RAM. I'm gonna give it 160 gigabytes, or 152, 152. Finish, and yeah, let's just start this, I guess. Alright, so now let's start the virtual machine. So I'm gonna click start here. I'm gonna just minimize everything, and hopefully it works because last time the audio had some problems. So hopefully it works this time. Oh yeah, we gotta mount the ISO. So let me just get the ISO real quick. Alright, so I got the ISO and I'm clicking mount and retry. Alright, and now the virtual machine. Yeah, it works. So now we're gonna wait a while so that it actually loads. Alright, so as you can see, it says welcome to setup. This partition, and I'm just gonna click enter, and I'm gonna click F8, F8, unpartition space, and we're gonna format this partition using the NTFS file system, and I'm gonna do it quickly. So quick. So now, it should be formatting the drive. Yeah, it's formatting the drive. So yeah, I'll come back after it's doing something interesting. And as you can see, setup is now copying files. So I just wanted to let you know that setup is now copying files. So now, the next time you will see the screen, it will be in the graphical user interface or something like that, hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you when that happens. Alright, it's gonna restart now. We're not gonna press any key to boot from the CD, and it should be loading into the graphical user interface now. Let's turn the volume up. Oh, Windows XP Home Edition, of course, because Windows XP Home Edition. Of course, it's not the out-of-box experience yet, because no. Uh, yeah. And this is me. This is the second time I'm installing this, so hopefully everything goes well. Yes. And as you can see, it's a setup completed in approximately 39 minutes. And of course, I'm not gonna make you guys sit here for like 39 minutes, because that would be literally boring. Yes, that would be very, very boring. But since it's a virtual machine, it could be faster or it could be slower. I don't know. Because, yeah. I did give it a lot of RAM though. I don't think it will be able to use that much RAM because I'm an idiot and it's 32-bit, which means it can only use 40. I mean, no, not 40. 4 gigabytes of RAM. It can only use 4 gigabytes of RAM, and yeah. So as you can see, it's installing devices. So hopefully installers are sound drivers so that we can hear title.wma because as you can see, it's literally the best sound ever. It's the best sound ever. I'm telling you, it's literally epic. All right, so I'll come back when something interesting happens again because yeah, something interesting is probably gonna happen. So yeah. Okay, so actually, we're just gonna do a time lapse because I felt like doing a time lapse. So yeah. So editor, well, that's me. Future me, cut this part out and make it a time lapse. Alright, so as you can see, we are here, and we're on, Windows XP Home Edition setup. And you can move this window around, sort of, I don't know. We're just gonna leave it like this and click next, and, I don't felt like we gotta type something in. So I'm gonna type in my name here. Let me just type in my name. So let's just type in my name right there and click next. And I don't know. I don't even care what the hell. We'll leave the time. I don't care. As you can see, and it's installing the network now. So I'll come back when something interesting happens, cause I'm not gonna make it hard for the editor. Okay. All right. Alright, so now it's asking us if we want typical settings or custom settings. So we're just gonna click custom settings because I want to make sure we get everything. Yeah, so we're gonna get everything. And yeah, I guess I'll come back again when something interesting happens, like when the next part of setup happens, which will probably be the out of box experience. So yeah, let's just do this then. This is actually taking forever. I'm actually surprised how it has still not gone into the out of box experience. So as you can see, it now only says 3 minutes. So let's see if this is correct. Uh, yeah. Oh, I think it's restarting. Is it restarting, guys? I think it is. I think it is. Yes, it's restarting. Let's go. So of course we're not gonna boot from the CD, cause no, we're not booting from the CD. I'm screaming at this part because I don't know if the microphone works. I hope it works because I know I selected this microphone. So yeah, hopefully the sound also works. Hopefully, I'm saying hopefully. Windows XP Home Edition. Yeah, let's just make the screen resolution. Sure. Yo, I already saw this, but it's okay. We'll do this all again, just for this video, because of course, yes. Microsoft logo. I really like the Windows XP startup sound. Yo, we got it. We got it again. Let's go. Yes. Bum. Look at my desktop. Look at how many things there is. I'm gonna keep it on the screen for as long as I can because this song is epic. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Congratulations. Alright, I think the song's over. No, it's not. Let's just end this right here. Oh, never mind. This is over. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's see the startup sound. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, it's my favorite. Well, my favorite startup sound. And of course, we will be taking the tour again, cause yes, the tour. So yeah, let's just wait a while here. Come back when it gets to the desktop. Yo, it's in the desktop. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to Windows XP from
Yep,
Microsoft, the
again,
new version of
again.
Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience the best. Experience Windows XP. See for yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet. The connected home and office. Get connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers.
I'm not gonna do the entire tour. Oh, it's at 99% now.
To
I'm not
begin the
gonna do the
tour,
entire
click
tour.
any selection.
I'm gonna only do the blue one.
Share files, photos, music, even a printer and internet connection, all on a network that's private and secure. Multiple users, a cinch to switch. With Windows XP, it's easier than ever to share a single computer among several users. Each person using the computer can create a separate password-protected account with personalized settings and private files. Multiple accounts can be live on the computer at the same time. Switching back and forth is fast and simple. If someone wants to check email while you're working, they simply switch over to their account. There's no need for you to close your programs and log off. The other user won't see your files while they're working, and when you switch back, you won't see theirs. You'll find the screen exactly as you left it. Networks, powerful and practical. Is there more than one computer in your home or office? Connecting them into a network boosts the abilities of every computer on the system. Make team efforts out of big projects like creating reports and spreadsheets. Free up space on smaller computers. Centralize large files like photos and music on one computer where they can be shared by everyone, even at the same time. Play multiplayer computer games on a whole new level with each player on a separate computer. Save money by sharing hardware. Network computers can share the same printer, scanner, fax, even the same internet connection. Family members can surf the web at the same time from different computers, all on the same phone line or other service. Let the wizard do the work. You don't need to be an expert. A wizard steps you through the entire process of setting up a network for your home or small business. Simply answer a few questions about the computers you wish to link, and the wizard does the rest. Once your network is up and running, Windows XP stays on the job, tracking changes and making adjustments automatically, so you'll always get the best performance with the least effort. Data protection, inside and out. Windows XP contains powerful new features designed to keep your computer network running no matter what. Sophisticated protection software guards each computer's operating system. It also establishes a protective barrier, or firewall, that shields the entire network from outside hackers and viruses spread over the internet.
Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. Let's shut down the PC. Wait. Let's hear the log off sound. Log off. Wait, what? It's the same? It's okay. Well, I want to see if we can enable the sounds in control panel. So let's see if we can find. Oh, control panel. Control panel. In control panel. Sounds. sounds and audio devices. Sounds. Windows default. E. What is that? Apply. Let's see it now. Let's see logging off and logging back in now. How the frick did it not do it? Alright, it's alright, whatever. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.